Hey Tech fam, welcome back to Rank and Reviews where we're unboxing the future. Today we're diving into the Nothing headset, 2025 model. Nothing's bold leap into over-ear audio, launched just 2 days ago on July 1st for $299. With KEF-tuned drivers and a design that's turning heads, is this the audio game changer of 2025? Let's find out. Hit that like button if you're as excited as I am, and subscribe for more tech drops. First up, the sound. This headset packs 40mm dynamic drivers tuned by audio legends KEF, delivering crystal clear audio with 42 decibels of hybrid noise cancellation. I tested it in a noisy cafe, and it blocked out everything, perfect for music or calls. The spatial audio with head tracking? Mind-blowing. It's like the sound wraps around you. Compared to Sony's WH-1000XM6, it holds its own, though bass lovers might tweak the EQ a bit. Next, the design. Wow, Nothing's signature transparent look is back, with squircle ear cups that scream retro-futuristic vibes. The aluminum and high-tech plastic build feels premium, and those soft memory foam cushions? Pure comfort. The LED matrix on the cups can even show the time or play games. Yes, games. It's quirky, but it's a conversation starter for sure. Long battery life. Battery life is where it shines. Without ANC, you get up to 80 hours. Yes, 80. With ANC on, it's still 35 hours. I used it non-stop for 2 days and it barely dented the 1040 milliamp hour battery. The IP52 rating adds durability, so sweat or light rain, no problem. It's a marathon runner in the headphone world. Seamless connectivity. Connectivity is slick with Bluetooth 5.3 and LDAC support for high-res audio. Multi-device pairing let me switch from my phone to laptop seamlessly, and the ultra-low latency is a gamer's dream. The controls? A scrollable button for volume and a click button to skip tracks. Intuitive and tactile, a nice break from touch controls. Eco-friendly build. Finally, sustainability. Nothing uses recycled materials, making this headset eco-conscious. It's a small step, but it's a win for the planet. Paired with that bold design, it's a stylish choice for green tech lovers. That's the Nothing headset 2025. Audio excellence with a personality. Worth the $299? I think so. But what about you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time, Tech Fam.